Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. I'm called Rashida. In case it's your first time seeing me, in case you are new on my channel, you are so welcome. Just feel at home. Guys, I'm at my house. I'm at my house. I was like, let me go check on my house so that I see in case we have any new progress at my house, but apparently we don't have any. Yeah, for our case we paused the construction. Although guys, should I call it house fever? Should I call it what? I don't know how to call it, but of recent I have thoughts of moving into my house. But we cannot move in right now, so I was like, let me go check on my house. Let me go and see in case we have any new progress within the neighborhood. So I would love you guys to join me as I show you what we have. No development, nothing new, but I wanted to share with you. At least I love it when I share. At least I make sure that whenever I go and visit my unfinished house, I share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, you can leave a comment down below. Any ideas, suggestions are welcomed on this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up. So enjoy guys. So guys, we are here. Yeah, this is my house. Okay, so today let me first give you what we have. Here are the bags. So far, no development, no progress. Even my neighbors are not doing anything. Oh guys, apart from this house, let me show you. Yeah, let me show you this house. They are doing construction and they are building a flat. Let me show you the house. It's not that close to my house, but it's a few steps to the house, at least 10 walaye. That fence you see there, they first built a fence. Now they are building the house, and I saw the, how are they called? Oh God, I've forgotten. Emitayimbwe. Yeah, so I think they are building a flat. Okay, yeah, that house. So this is the back. Today I was like, let me start the video from the back of the house, then I'll take you around and I'll take you inside. Okay, that's the pit latrine as usual. Then this is how the back looks like. Okay, we have water. Of recent it has been raining and the tank is full. Yeah, the tank is full. So my caretakers, they have enough water to be used. Banga chinga tetonye tebasobola kumalamu eyo tank. It's 10,000 liters. Okay, then our foundation. Then at the back we have that door. Although that door got issues, it cannot open, so we need to fix that door. Yeah, so that's TV room area. We have a general bathroom there. We have the kids room there, then the pantry. So this is how the back of the house looks like so far. So this is it guys, and let me show you this side. We have more and more developments guys here. I've been told by my caretaker's wife that those people entered the house. That house has been built like in 4 months. So we also have a house there which is being built. Yeah, so far people are building between guys. Also these plots are for sale. I told you guys about the plots. I don't know why temujja kugula. These plots are for sale. Okuva wali Kasori, you see where that maze is? Up to down there. Yeah, up to down there. And the owner told me that now he reduced the price. The price is 40 million. 40 million for 50 by 100. And I think, guys, it's a fair price because we bought this plot of ours. We bought it like, let me remember, like 5 years ago. And we bought it at 35. So in case he is selling these plots at 40 million, I think it's a fair price compared to the structures which are being built in the area. Okay, we have a flat there. There is my house here. We have more neighbors over that side who are building. You see, guys, more neighbors there. So 40 million is a fair price, I think, for this plot. So please, in case you're someone there, or you're looking for a plot to buy, this is the safest place for you guys. This estate is organized, so organized. Okay, in Teme Burungi, the plots are 50 by 100 or 100 by 100. So trust me, it's going to be an organized area. Okay, so guys, let us go to the front of the house, then I'll show you around, then after I'll take you inside the house. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, so we have material there, yeah, and this is our house. It's our house, me and you guys. Yeah, so this is our house. So let me take you inside. Nothing new has changed because tetulina kyetuzimba kati twapozingamu nga bwe mubimanyi ebyokuzimba twapozingamu. Okay, so you guys, you already know my house, you already know, but even if I've shown you everything, whenever I come to my house, I would love to share it with you. I hope temujja kowa kulaba nyumba. Yeah, so this is what we have. Nothing new. Okay, yeah, nothing new. The living room, then the dining, that big window. Someone asked about the what? How big the window is. It's 7 feet. Yeah, before I didn't know, but now I know the window is 7 feet, that dining window. Then this main door for the living room, it's 9 feet. Then this one for the dining, it's 8 feet. Yeah, 7 feet over there, 8 feet over there, then 9 feet over there. Like sometimes I feel ashamed when you guys ask me something and I don't know the measurements of my house. Okay, so then over here we have the kitchen. Although, guys, as I've been telling you, when we are doing the plastering, I think we shall do that more. We shall break more bricks on the kitchen, on the sides of the kitchen. Yeah, when they are doing the finishing, the plastering. Okay, then over here we have the kitchen. I love how big this kitchen is, guys. You see, that's the kitchen. For those who are new on my channel, this kitchen used to be a closed kitchen. Then my subscribers were like, Rashida, please break that wall on the kitchen. Your house is so beautiful to have a closed kitchen. So I had to break the wall which was there. Then we changed our kitchen to an open kitchen and dining. So any ideas, suggestions are welcomed on my channel. In case you have any idea, ngasobola giteeka mu nkola, it's welcomed. Okay, like how my viewers advised me to break that wall, and we did it. Okay, so we have the kitchen window here, which was bigger compared to that size, but we had to reduce it. Our plumber gave us advice that we had to reduce the size of the window. Yeah, it was up to this brick you see here. Yeah, that was how big that window. Okay, long. that window was. So apparently, according to him, he told us the sink cannot be down there. It has to be up. So we had to reduce the size of the window. Okay, so that's the view we have from there. Then the dining, then the dining entrance, then the living room. Okay, then here we have the pantry. Okay, this is the pantry, guys. Yeah, this is the pantry. Then over here, this is the laundry room. Hey, my caretakers, they have 2 little chicks. You see, but they look unhealthy. Yeah, they have 2 chicks there. So this is the pantry. I mean the laundry room. Then from there, this door takes us to the back of the house. As I've told you guys, that door got issues. It cannot open. So I don't know what the problem is, but that door cannot open. Yeah. Then when you stand here like this, it can take us to the living room, dining, then the kitchen, okay? So let's go. This is the TV room or kids reading room. Yeah, although we bought a door, I told you guys I love how cute this door is. So all the doors on our house, they'll be having this same design. So from here, you can either go back to the dining or you can go straight to the bedrooms. Okay, so let's go. So guys, nothing new. The first kids room, we have 2 kids room. Then the second kids room over here. Then the general bathroom over here. So then we go to the bed, to the heart of the house. That's the master bedroom. Yeah, guys, what do you think? Is the master bedroom mastering? So this is the master bedroom. The reason why I'm asking is the master bedroom mastering. It's because I love how big this room is. I love that the master bedroom has enough light. Yeah, so this is our room, the master bedroom. Okay, with that big huge window, then these small windows, then over here the master washroom. Yeah, it's also big enough for us. Okay, so guys, this is it. Then one view before we go for the so that's the master bedroom. Then like this, we go back to the living room. Okay guys, so that's it. Yeah, thank you for checking on my house with me. So for now we are done. Okay, maybe we again admire the doors in this door, then the master window. Then let me show you this side as well. So this side, this is what we have. Okay guys, so that's it. I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you. I don't know if it's the kids who are doing this to my son. You see guys, and kids. Okay guys, so that's it. I'm going to say goodbye and see you. Guys, I love that view banange. See that view, just imagine waking up every morning and looking at that view. See guys, when I tell you no process in Ninanye, well no, my area is already developed. We have neighbors there, we have another neighbor there, we have people constructing there, and over that side. Okay, so mujye mugule poloti ezo eziri emabega oba zitunda. Okay guys, so goodbye, see you.